Hey. Well done.
Today is a special day in Dorchester County. Today we have gathered to celebrate Willie Davis and George Bailey and recognize their service to Dorchester County and its citizens by dedicating a facility that will be enjoyed by all generations.
Yes.
This is a place where we want to make sure that everybody, regardless of where they live in Dorchester County, has a place that they can come out and spend time with their family and make memories. And this is going to be it.
Not only will this park provide a first-class recreational facility for the residents of Dorchester County, and especially those residing in the St. George area, this park will also honor and memorialize two of the greatest men to have served our county. It's the late Councilman Willie R. Davis and Vice Chairman George H. Bailey Sr.
2 baseball fields, a large multi-use field, 2 basketball courts, it's 15 acres, this wonderful pavilion. You got an outdoor fitness facility, a pond that's going to be stocked, a trail that goes around, so a nice fitness trail. You're also going to have a splash pad for the kids.
I can't think of any better way to honor these men than to provide a wonderful facility where our community can come together and enjoy this park and all that it has to offer.
This park will forever epitomize the love and his work for Dorchester County.
People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Let me say this again. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care.
This is a place that there's going to be a whole lot of play, a whole lot of family time, a whole lot of community time. And I'm convinced that this is a community building asset. This is a cornerstone of where you build a community from.
To honor 2 people that have done so much for Dorchester County is indeed a blessing.